My video guide will provide you with help to remove the new adware called SampleScheduler, or as Americans like to abuse English, SampleScheduler. I prefer to say it SampleScheduler. Well, this is the adware targeting Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers on Mac computers. SampleScheduler adware is from the adload family. This is a large family of adware type infections targeting many Mac computers all over the world. SampleScheduler adware shows a lot of annoying advertisements, and it may also redirect your browser to a lot of junk places. So if it was found on your system somehow, right click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and once it gets installed, start researching your system. For the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.